There are some stories when it comes to outsourcing that are told, and you sometimes hear that things have gone terribly wrong. Like wherever companies have outsourced to, there are a number of countries like India, Pakistan, and things have just gone wrong. Code is just full of things that should not be there, or just really chaotic. What do you think are the reasons why such projects can go wrong?
There are numerous reasons. If we're taking India and Pakistan are further away from Western European mentality and way of thinking. That's one thing. Another thing is that they're further away in terms of time, which also have an influence on the project methodologies that you can use. Now, we see in our client portfolio that about 75%, and this is a number that is increasing, are using agile processes, or some sort of bastardized Scrum, as people tend to call it as well. And this is very much a methodology that is aimed at communicating and responding to rapidly changing market demands. That also means that you cannot sit down and specify everything into the greatest detail that typically is necessary when you send development to the Far East countries such as India and Pakistan. There's another reason which I think is also another factor, and that is that many of these companies in India, they know this. They know that it's difficult to do agile because it sort of requires, or it works best if you can do it in real time. And what they've done is that they set up a number of procedures and adopted a number of pretty rigid project methodologies that at the end of the day just turns out to be very, very bureaucratic. And thus you take on a number of tasks onshore in your company to specify and do change requests and all these kinds of things that inevitably will make the business case look less favorable. So you lose a lot in being rigid in the way that you outsource, and that is the tendency in India, both because of the cultural way of things, but also because of the distance.